volume of ice cream. Today is September 3rd, 2020. Here I'm making a video to show my 5 ton per day cube ice machine. The machine can make 5,000 kilograms of ice cubes within every 24 hours. That capacity is based on this standard working condition. The standard working condition is a 30 degrees Celsius ambient temperature, 20 degrees Celsius inlet water temperature. With this kind of standard working condition, the machine can make 5 tons of ice cubes within every 24 hours. This machine is equipped with a 15 horsepower piston compressor, businss. And this is the model of the compressor 4HE bar 18Y bar 40B. We call this one a 15 horsepower piston compressor. Okay, we will check that here. This is the 15 horsepower piston compressor. Thanks to our modern tube ice technology, we can use 50 horsepower piston compressor to make a 5 ton per day. And the system is very power steady by using a smaller compressor. And the actual capacity will exceed nominal capacity in this working condition. This is the big difference between my tube ice machine and other Chinese ice machines. This machine is equipped with a water cooling condenser, water cooling tower. The water cooling tower is located outside and the water cooling condenser is here. You see the one. It's connected with the water cooling tower by the water pipes. Later we will see the ice come out from the machine, and the ice diameter is 29 millimeters. Let's put the camera here. We focus on the ice outlet. Okay, so this is all ice cubes made in the third circle. Ice are 100% solid. Some people call them ice gummies. Some people call them cylinder ice. Some people call them solid ice tubes. Whatever, they are really beautiful. It's a perfect ice for cooling beverage, drink. They are food quality ice, and they're very good looking in the drinks. Solid. This is the best ice tubes you can ever see, made by Chinese tube-bite machines. It's high technology, and the machine is very stable. The most important is that it can make the best quality ice tubes. This is really very nice. Perfect. There's nobody else that can make the same video like me, because nobody else have this kind of a good technology ice tube machines. Just to check it, all the ice tubes, they are solid. All the ice are transparent, crystal. Okay.